Hey guys, Shark Insanity here, and today we've got a neat trick up our sleeves. Ever been blocked from your Wi-Fi and left scratching your head? Well, stick around because I'm going to show you how to bypass that block by changing your IP and MAC address. Now, just a heads up, this is strictly for educational purposes, folks. No hacking shenanigans here. And guess what? You don't even need root access for this. Before we dive in, let's quickly understand what happens when you get blocked from a Wi-Fi network. Typically, the router blocks your device's MAC address and IP. Changing your IP is a piece of cake, but dynamic MAC addressing can be a bit trickier. Even though devices use random MAC addresses, they often stick to one random address and don't change it upon reconnecting. But fear not, because I'm going to show you how to get around that. Alright, let's jump in. As you can see, my Wi-Fi is currently disconnected because I blocked my own device using another phone. Here's how you can change that. Tap on the edit button for your network. By default, the IP settings will be set to DHCP. Change that to static. Now, you'll need to change your IP address, but only the last digit. Make sure the gateway address is the router's configuration address most of the time. This is a pretty standard address. Set DNS1 to the same as the router's address and DNS2 to 8.8.8.8.8. Then, set privacy to randomize MAC. Next, head over to your phone settings and enable developer mode. Search for MAC in the settings and enable the MAC randomization feature. This ensures that every time you connect to a router, your MAC address will be randomized. Alright, moment of truth. Let's reconnect to the Wi-Fi and see if it works. And there you have it. Back online and running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I do my best to reply to as many of you as I can. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.